So Gurudev said, he said 3 words. He told 3 words which are essential for human evolution. He said for human evolution, human growth, 3 things are essential factors: heredity, environment, and culture. Heredity, environment, and culture. In his own way of interpretation, he said heredity. What is heredity? No. Gurudev said what you have inherited through your lives. What you are today, it is of millions of lives. Gurudev told, you are tiger, you are lion, you are cat, you are tree, you are plant, you are insect, you are... So all the qualities are remaining within you. The entire universe is within. So the entire universal creative or creation, they are all inside you. So the quality of snake is within me, sometimes hissing. Quality of lion is within me. Sometimes people tell me, oh, you are roaring like a lion. One day somebody told, you are walking like a lion inside the cage. So we have all the qualities within us. Now, heredity, what we have inherited, not from others. Environment, he said environment is the family and the teacher. The family and the teacher. Now you are here. What is the environment? It is the ashram and the teacher. And one who follows the teacher or follows the environment will get quicker transformation, quicker evolution. Then culture. Culture is your own repeated practice. So three things. What you have inherited, the environment in which you live, and in spirituality, the teacher, the teachings, culture, your own practice. Then Gurudev, do you know what he did? He was very interesting. What he did, he said, environment is, heredity is 20%. Environment is 30%. Culture is 50%. So in the total 100%, so heredity is 20%. Environment is 30%. Culture is, now heredity 20% means your own past, forget about it. Even if it is bad, minus 20, let it be minus 20, plus 80 is with you. And if nobody is minus 20 all the time, there is some plus, some minus. Our heredity, our inherited or accumulated qualities, we have quite a bit good qualities. We are not bad really completely, and nobody is completely good, not completely bad. So it is never minus 20, okay, from 20%. So now then come to environment and culture. Who chooses which environment? You can change your environment. Why did you come to this school or this Kriya path or this teacher or this ashram? Why did you come? Is it not your choice? So you can create your own environment, Gurudev said. Don't blame the environment. You, at the center of your life, can create your own environment as you want to be. Don't tell that, oh, at my home I cannot meditate, there is television, there is sound, my husband doesn't allow, my friend does this, my parents do this. Don't tell all this. It is your own inability. You blame others. You can change it. You can find out the way. Okay? Now, environment is in your hand and culture is completely in your hand. Culture, your own practice, 50%, it is completely in your hand. How are you practicing? How sincere? How regular? How diligent in your practice? When Gurudev said heredity, environment and culture, if we do not follow this, human mind can never remain idle. If you take it in a good path, it will go. If you don't take it, it will automatically go in the wrong way.